Good afternoon, students. As in our previous video, I have told you about all the devices of computer system, computer and its component, right? So, computer has different component. You can't say a single component is a computer. Computer has different components. So, different components, when different components come together, at that time they form a computer system. So all the devices like input device, output device, storage device, processing device, together or combinedly they make a computer system, right? So after that, today we will read how a computer can work, how any machine can work. And as I have told you in class that every machine work on IPO cycle principle. Like first we have to give commands to the computer, and then CPU process on it, and then at the end in the form of information we get result, right? So first what we have to do, first we have to give commands to the computer through which device? Through input device, through these device, through keyboard, through mouse, through scanner. You can use this device for giving commands to the computer, okay? And then CPU, processing device, which is processing device? Central processing unit. This is the processing device. All the work is done by this processing device. Whatever you type, whatever command you give to the computer, only this device process on it, this device work on it, okay? And this inside, it has also many devices inside it, so it only works for the computer system. That is why it's also called brain of the computer system, right? So it's process, and at the end we get information, means output we get on what devices, which devices? Output devices. Like on monitor you get soft input, which you can only see. On printer you can get hard output, which you can see and touch. On speaker you can take output, you can receive output in the form of sound. Headphone also you can use sound. Projector is just like monitor, you can use projector for a soft output, right? And then there are some storage device, as you can see here at the storage. If you have given data to the computer system, now CPU is processing on it, output devices are giving output. But if you want to save your work for your future use, you can use storage device. And storage device is inside the processing device, like hard disk is there inside the processing device. If you want to save your work, whatever you have done in your computer, if you want to save that, you will save it in this processing device in hard disk, okay? So this is what a processing of IPO cycle. Same like this, every machine works on the principle of IPO cycle. Like you can take an example of juicer. If you want to get juice, if you want to make juice of oranges, first what you will do, you will take a juicer, and then juicer is also a machine. What you will give to your juicer? First oranges in the form of data, right? So first you will give orange, and the juicer process on it, okay? And then at the end what you will get? Juice, right? Orange juice. So you will get orange juice. So every single machine works on the principle of IPO cycle: input, process and output, okay students? So these both videos you have to watch, and then at the end we will discuss in the class, right? Both the videos you have to watch carefully. We will discuss about this video in the class, okay students? Thank you. Have a nice day.